There are currently no reputable real money bingo apps I can verify that let you withdraw winnings completely without identity verification in 2026. Bingo Cash, for example, explicitly requires a government-issued photo ID and selfie before cash withdrawals. So if you're searching for 5 apps that actually pay without showing ID, the honest answer is, don't trust a list that promises that. By the end of this, you'll know which bingo apps are commonly confused with no-ID apps, what verification they actually require, and what to check before depositing money. First, Bingo Cash does let you download the game for free and play regular or cash tournaments, but its current withdrawal policy requires identity verification. You need a valid government-issued photo ID and a selfie, and the company says you may be unable to withdraw without completing that process. Bingo Clash is another app often mentioned in cash bingo searches. It offers real money cash matches and withdrawals, but that doesn't mean you can cash out anonymously. Its withdrawal system can involve account and payment verification, and its current App Store listing also restricts cash matches in several US states. Bingo Tour works similarly. You can play free games and enter cash matches with withdrawals supported through methods such as PayPal, but winnings are subject to a review before payment. The developer says withdrawals can take up to 7 business days. Bingo Wealth is another name you'll see in searches, but its own developer responses confirm that it uses a KYC review process. App Store reviews also describe ID being requested when players attempted withdrawals. And Bingo 101, which appears in searches for Indian cash bingo apps, explicitly states that every user must complete KYC using Aadhaar and PAN before using its real money platform. The pattern is pretty clear. You may be able to buy uploading ID immediately, but that's different from being able to ID verification. Real money platforms have strong reasons to verify customers, and regulators specifically identify KYC as a major control in remote gambling. So before installing any no-ID bingo app, check the withdrawal terms first. Look specifically for KYC, identity verification, age verification, or withdrawal review requirements. The 3 key points are simple. Free play doesn't mean anonymous withdrawals. Cash bingo apps can require verification when you withdraw, and a genuine no ID required. Claims should be verified against the app's current terms. If you already have a bingo app in mind, check its withdrawal policy before depositing anything. And if this saved you from wasting money on a misleading app, like and subscribe for more straightforward app checks.